Welcome to Sarasa Samutsaran School. This is Science Matayum 2.
Hello everybody! Hello everyone! Hope you're all doing good today. Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Carla Circulado, and today I will be teaching the subject. So if you are ready, you can bring out your notebook, your pen, and your books, and please pay attention. Let's begin.
Let's begin our lesson by reading our vocabulary words. So please listen carefully as I read the words twice, then repeat after me. Magnifier. Magnifier. Your turn. Good job. Convex. Convex. Good job. Lenses. Lenses. Good job. Blurry. Blurry. Good job. Bending. Bending. Good job. Concave. Concave. Good job. Vision. Vision. Good job. Now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Bring out your paper or your notebooks and write as follows. Don't forget to write your name. Let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word blurry. Number 1. Blurry. Number 2. Spell the word magnifier. Number 2. Magnifier. And number 3. Spell the word vision. Vision. Okay, let's now check your answers. Bring out your red pen. If your answer is correct, please put 1. But if your answer is incorrect, please copy the correct answer beside your answer. Number 1. Let's read and spell together. Blurry. B-L-U-R-R-Y. Blurry. Number 2. Magnifier. M-A-G-N-I-F-I-E-R. Magnifier. Next, number 3. Vision. V-I-S-I-O-N. Vision. Very good. Good job. So now let's what we talked about on our last meeting. We talked about the type of lenses, magnifier, and demagnifier. We have two types of lenses, which is the convex and concave lens. And we also talked about the nearsighted and farsighted and what lens help them. So if you're ready, let's begin. So now let's move on to our topic for today. You may wonder why some people wear eyeglasses. Does it help them to see better or clearly? That is our topic for today, about lenses. So if you're ready, get your books and open it on page 12. Page 12. Lenses. Let's begin. So everybody repeat after me. Lenses. Very good. The first one is magnifier. Everybody repeat after me. Magnifier. Very good. Or what we call the convex lens. Okay, so magnifier means it makes the image or the picture looks bigger or larger. As we can see in this picture, this is the regular writing. But with the use of a magnifier or a convex lens, the image or the writing in the paper looks larger and bigger. Now let's go to the next one, the magnifier or a concave lens. Okay, so this is the regular writing in the paper. The magnifier reduces the size of the image or a picture. As we can see in this picture, the regular writing is reduced in size. Okay, it's reduced in size. That is the demagnifier or what we call concave lens. Okay, so the question, what type of lens is the one making the picture or the image larger or bigger? Very good. It's called the magnifier or convex lens. How about what is the lens that makes the picture reduced in size? Very good. The magnifier or concave lens. Okay, now let's move on to our next slide. Okay, before we explain this, let's read the paragraph first. Repeat after me. Eyeglasses. Magnifying glasses. Contact lenses are transparent glass or plastic lenses specially designated to help eyes with blurry vision. Very good. So these things, the eyeglasses, magnifying glasses, and contact lenses, they are all transparent materials. Okay? So they are specially designed to help people with eye problems. Okay? If someone especially, let's see this girl. Okay? She have an eye problem or a blurry vision, that's why she uses a contact lens. It helps her to see clearer and better. The magnifying glasses usually are used. If we cannot read in a book, it's too small, it can help us to make the picture or the writings bigger. Same with eyeglasses. It helps people to read or can see clearer. So the question is, what are some materials, transparent materials that are specially designed to help with blurry vision? Very good. So some materials, it's called eyeglasses, magnifying glasses, and contact lenses. Alright, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, now let's read together. Repeat after me. They make our eyes see things more clearly by either aiming or bending the light waves. Very good. So we know that we can see because of the light, right? So we are still following the rule about the light. So it says that these things, the transparent materials, help our eyes see things more clearly by aiming or bending the light waves. So we know that when the light travels through these materials, the light is bending. Okay, so we will explain it more later on. Let's read the other paragraph. Repeat after me. Based on the principle of light reflection. Very good. So we will talk about it more on our succeeding slides. So there are two main types of lenses. The first one is a convex lens. Everybody repeat after me. Convex lens. Positive lens, also called converging lens. Very good. So let's explain this picture right here. So these are all the light rays. Okay? So it's in parallel lines or straight lines. When they passes through a convex lens, the light rays bend as they bended slightly inward. Okay, the lights bended inward in a single point, which is called a focal point. Again, so when the light rays or the parallel lines enter or passes a convex lens, the light is bended or converge into a single point, which is called a focal point. So what is this phenomenon called? So it's called the refraction that we already talked about on our previous topic. So when the light passes through a transparent material, the light is bending. So in this case, it is a convex lens material. So the light rays is converged together in a single point. This is where the virtual image appear. Okay, that's why it's called converging lens. As we can see in this short video, okay, this the light rays passes through a convex lens. The lights converge to a single point there. That is convex lens. Now the question, Why is convex lens called converging lens? Very good. Because converging lens converges all the light rays together in a single point. Together in a single point. Very good. Now let's move on to the next slide. The next one is a concave lens. Everybody repeat after me. Concave lens. Very good. So it is a negative lens, also called diverging lens. Everybody repeat after me. Diverging lens. Very good. So let's see the picture here. Yes, we can see in this picture, the light rays are in parallel lines. Okay, so when they enter the concave lens, the light ray will slightly bend toward the normal line. Okay, so all the light rays, when they enter the concave lens, after refraction, the refracted rays diverge, meaning they go away from each other. Okay, so that's what it means. Diverge means they go away from each other. But how can we see the image when it's not converging to a single point like the convex lens? Well, they meet at some point. When we are to extend the refracted rays backwards, they meet at this point. This is the focal point of a concave lens. This is where the actual or virtual image is appearing. Okay, so we can also see in this GIF. Okay, so the light rays are in parallel line. When they enter the concave lens, after refraction, the light rays are diverging away from each other. But we can also see the focal point when we extended the light rays backward. Okay, so the question, what is a diverging lens? Very good. So it's the opposite of convex lens, meaning when the light rays enter the concave lens, the light rays after refraction diverge away from each other. They do not meet at the single point here. They meet backward. Okay, now let's move on to our next slide. Now let's talk about the convex lens. Everybody repeat after me. Convex lens or converging lens. Is thicker in the middle than the edges. And refracts parallel rays passing through it to a focus. Very good. So this is a convex lens. As we can see, it says that it is thicker in the middle. Okay, so the middle in convex lens is thicker. The middle part is thicker. And it also refracts parallel rays passing through it to a focus. So meaning this is the light rays. When it passes through a converging lens, it refracts the light rays into a focus. As you can see, the focal point. Okay, so that is a converging lens. Again, what part of a convex lens is thicker? Very good. The middle part of a convex lens is thicker than the edges. Very good. Now let's talk about the concave lens. Everybody repeat after me. Concave lens or diverging lens is thicker at the edges than the middle and refracts parallel rays passing through it. To diverge as if from a point. Very good. Okay, now let's see the concave lens. This is what a concave lens looks like. So it says that the edges of a concave lens is thicker than in the middle. So the middle is thinner, but the edge of a concave lens is thicker. Okay, the middle is thinner. Edge is thicker, as we can see in this picture. And it says, refracts parallel rays passing through it to diverge as if from a point. So, we talk about it. This is the light rays. When it passes through a diverging lens, the light rays, after refracted, it will diverge, okay, from a point. Meaning, the point is here, they diverge away after refraction. Okay, so converging, the point or the focus is here, but diverging lens, the focal point is here. Then it will diverge. Okay, now the question. What is the thicker part of a concave lens or diverging lens? Very good. So the edges part of a concave lens is thicker than in the middle. Very good. Now let's move on to the next slide. Of course, we are talking about these lenses because we want to know how it helps people with the difficulty with their eyesight. Okay, now let's talk about first the nearsighted. Everybody repeat after me. Nearsighted. Very good. So nearsighted people see well up close but have difficulty seeing far away. It means that when these people have the paper just close to their face, they can read it clearly. But if the paper or what they're reading is far away from their face, they cannot see it very well. Okay, so let's try to figure out this picture right here. So this is a nearsighted eye. The cornea is curved. So when the light rays enter the lens of this person, it is converged at this focal point. The light focus in front of the retina, which causes the image to be blurry when it's far away. So to fix this problem, this person can wear the concave lens, which is thicker on the edges. So when the light rays passes through a concave lens, the light rays is diverged before it reaches the eyes. So when the light are diverged entering this nearsighted lens, the light will then converge at the right place. Okay, so the light rays is converge, helping or producing the image to the retina. That's why this nearsighted person, when they wear the concave lens, they can see better because the concave lens help move the focus back further to the retina. As you can see, this is the nearsighted eye. And when they use the concave lens, it fixes the focus of the light ray. So the question is, what type of lens should a nearsighted person use? Is it convex lens or concave lens? Very good. Nearsighted person should wear or should use a concave lens. Very good. Let's move on. Okay, repeat after me. Farsighted. People see well from afar, away, but have some difficulty seeing up close. Very good. So farsighted people, they see well far away. So let's say that this tree is far away. They can see it clearly. But when they're reading the newspaper just in front of their face, it is blurry, or they cannot see well in front of them. Okay, now let's see the picture again. Okay, so this is the eye of a farsighted person. Okay, their cornea is flat. Okay, mostly flat when they are farsighted, causing the light rays, when it enters to the eye or to the lens, the light rays focuses at the back of the retina. Okay, if the light rays focuses at the back of the retina, the image will be blurred up close. Okay, so how can we fix that? We can fix that by using the convex lens. The convex lens are thicker in the middle. So when the light rays passes through the convex lens, it will bend inwards. So before it passes through the lens of the eye, the lights are already bended inward. Then passing through the lens, the light will more bended, striking it to the retina. So the farsighted person can now see clearer up close. Okay, because the concave lens helps move the focus up forward to the retina. Okay, so it's in the right focus already. So the question is, what type of lens should a farsighted person use? Very good. A farsighted person should use a concave lens because it would help the light rays to move the focus up forward to its retina. Very good. Now very good. So for our summary, we talked about the types of lenses. So what are the two types of lenses? Very good. Convex lens and concave lens. What examples of lens helps our eyes with blurry vision? Very good. There are eyeglasses, magnifying glasses, and contact lenses. What are the two conditions of our eyesight that we mentioned in this topic? Very good. Nearsighted and farsighted. And what type of lens help people that are nearsighted and farsighted? Very good. Concave lens help people that are nearsighted. Convex lens helps farsighted people. Thank you for being awesome, everyone.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you all learned our lesson. Good job, everyone. Don't forget to watch the friendly reminders for your safety. See you again!
Thank you so much, students. Just a reminder, don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy, and we will see you soon. You're doing all a good job. Goodbye!